How to survive freshman year of college in 60 seconds? Easy. Have a nice dorm with AC. Switch if you can. Make sure you have a mini fridge in your dorm room. Remember when the diner closes and opens on the weekend. Hit the gym. Have a study group. Make friends. Do your work before you go out and party. Keep parties to 1 to 2 a week max. Don't go to the urinals at 2 a.m. You will not be prepared for what you're going to see. Don't have a girlfriend unless she's a one. Avoid all-nighters.
That's the life.
Don't watch movies at 2 a.m. Don't drink. When going to parties, have a sober friend. Make a Facebook account to get tickets for limited ticket events. Don't have a kid. Build good study habits. Trust me, they'll help you in the long term. Prioritize grades, but have fun at the same time. Don't try to take over 18 credits. Take classes that knock out multiple general ed credits. Try to get the professor to know your name. Build connections. Get ready to live in a tight space. Last but not least, clean your room with a vacuum. You do not want your dorm room to be dirty. And that's it.